This is for the 2025 Self-Balancing Skateboard Senior Design Team video. To start with, the design of this project is centered around a single large wheel that has a frame and foot pads for a user to be able to stand on. The skateboard itself is balanced by the user by putting either more pressure into the front or into the back foot pad to change the angle of the nose, and this will either speed up or slow down depending on how much pressure you put forward or how much you let off. To get on to some more specifics, inside the board is an electronic speed controller. This is also referred to as an ESC. This has been calibrated to the settings of our motor and the battery that has been used in the project. There's also a microcontroller that is acting as a communication hub. It has Bluetooth that has been coded into it using Arduino, and it is able to communicate with a custom application that has been designed in Android Studio for this project. It is also taking values from the ESC using something called I2C. It is a communication bus, and it takes values from the ESC to be able to store and send that data back to the app and give us real-time values for things like speed and distance traveled. There are also pressure sensors under one of the foot pads so that we are able to detect if a user is actually standing on the board. This is just a safety precaution to make sure that it doesn't run off without someone actually riding it. There is also the feature of customizable lights that can be set from the app. This includes many different color configurations for like different modes, as well as there are defaults that are preset for the headlights, taillights, battery, and there's also underglow. Some of the different color configurations include just a standard cycle where the LEDs will shift from one color to the next in a line, or also we have one called disco where it is just a random color selection. But for more information about this project, we will be available for questions at the 2025 Senior Design Expo on April 25th. Thank you.